Recently, there are a whole lot of things you can do with AI. Whoever thought that AI would be used for inspiration for hair, suggestions through the prompt and all of that, so that you can come up with a good hairstyle. To think that there are actually AI hairstyle apps right now, right? And AI just inspired me to come up with this hairstyle, basically something really affordable yet gorgeous. So AI suggested this, but that does not mean that I don't have to tweak it to my own, beautiful way. You feel free to just adjust to your taste. Now I'm sounding like a chef. So guys, feel free to try this. Let me know what you think about it in this comment section. Have you used AI to inspire yourself on the kind of hairstyle you want to make? This one is just a low bun side weave hairstyle. It suggested some kind of, the weave to be around here, but I definitely, decided to go for this. I feel like this will suit me more. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I am feeling myself. So guys, I'm really excited to show you how I was able to just get these 2-minute side part braids with a low bun inspired by my AI. Yes, so I just made sure that I moisturize my hair a lot, yes, with water, because this is one of the reasons why your hair flakes when you're using edge control, really. Yes, so I moisturize my hair very well, and then I'm slanting my hand to be able to get the side part braids, right? Because the feeding braid I'm about to do right now is not straight, so it's slanted, it's side part braid. So I'm trying to just brush through my hair, put my water as much as possible before I apply my Kaima edge control. I'm using Kaima edge control because it's one of the best edge controls, yes, you can use for your 4C natural hair. So right now I'm just trying to slick down my hair very well with the edge control, obviously brush through my hair and then weave it. So a quick one, yes, I had a lot of breakout over the weekend, but then this 2026 we are moving regardless, no matter the challenge we have, whether physical and all of that, we are pushing this content thing nonetheless. Yes, so I wasn't able to capture my weaving and the way I did my feeding braids, the slanted braids, but I will just had to fast forward it a little bit just to get it done with. This is a very simple, very simple hairstyle. Like, it's something you can just do within 2 minutes. Slick down your hair with your edge control. Use any edge control of your choice, basically, yes, but I recommend Kaima because it does not flake when you get the original one. Anyway, I will have to put into my description box how to know the difference between the fake and the original Kaima edge control, so look out for that. Yes, and then when you're done wrapping your hair, your natural hair, I'm using my Kinky, yes, my normal Kinky. This is just one of those go-to extension you could really use for any of your protective hairstyles. So I'm using it here, and my setting spray, for some reasons, really it did not want to spray, so I had to remove it from the straw, from the bottle. Yes, we go regardless. So I am attaching my Kinky right now to my hair bun, yes, and I'm trying to just create the bun at the back now that we are done with our braids, the slanted braids. Yes, so that's it. This is a very quick one. Just when you don't know what to really do, you don't want to do too much on your hair, you just need like a very simple hairstyle you could do, feel free to use your AI. I tried using Claude. Claude was not giving me the inspiration I wanted. I tried using ChatGPT, and at some point I had to use Dell. Yes, Dell eventually gave me the image I wanted and inspired me to go for this particular hairstyle. Yes, and I love it. I love the outcome. So right now I'm just folding my Kinky to create my bun. It's a very explanatory video content you could just jump on at any time that you do not have any idea what to do to your hair. Yes, really go for it and let me know what you think about it. Yeah, so we're actually done right now. I'm just looking down my hair, doing some ticks and trips and all of that, and then yeah, so use your bobby pins, or if you have like a black rubber band, to just hold down your bun very well to fasten it to your head basically, so that it doesn't loosen at the end of the day. So this is really strong. So what do you think about it?